Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about my take on things that we're loving in our home. Designer handbags, jewelry, pens, knives, etc., you name it. If you are new here, thanks for popping in. If you've been around for a while, thanks for coming back. Today we are talking about Cartier and the Cartier Tank. I have done a video previously on my Cartier Tank. I did an unboxing, I think, video forever ago, and then I talked about it in detail. I've had the watch about 2 years now, and I thought it was time to change things up. When I purchased the watch, I had the steel bracelet, and about 2 months ago, we went in and ordered a new band, and it is here. It is beautiful, emerald green. It says Cartier on the back. I believe it has a serial number as well, and then has made in France, is stamped. It's a beautiful color. I love it. It's very complimentary. It has a strap where you have the pin option. So one of the things that I needed to do is I had to order two things because I didn't have a different strap before. I needed to order the materials so that I could interchange the strap, and then I also had to order the strap itself. Now, the interchangeable system I think was about $100 and the strap was about $465. All told, not terrible. I thought that it would be maybe a little bit more. The Cartier Tank with the leather strap is less expensive than the steel band, which I believe for that purpose, the steel's a little bit more expensive. So when we went in, once the items finally came in, I didn't want to look at it. I wanted it to be a Christmas present. And so they went ahead and installed the band for me and wrapped it all nice. And then they also gave me a pouch here, which has my band on the inside, which I've been wearing for 2 years. And I mean, you can see it's got some wear. I wear this watch every single day. I absolutely love it. I cannot tell you how much I love this watch. I really do. I think it's amazing. I have had this watch taken in and cleaned, and I think it was a year ago maybe, but love it. It does have a 6-year warranty. You can take it in and get it all zhuzhed up. But now that I have the pens, all I have to do is order different straps. I went with the emerald green and the exotic just because I think it's very classy, it's subtle. And what they do is you go in, you look at the different materials, and then you pick what you want, and you order it, and then you wait for it to come in, right? It's a pretty simple process. You got to see all of the different colors. I think it's upside down here, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. One thing, they measure your wrist, and because my wrist is about 5 3/4, it's pretty tiny. This watch fits great. And so you have, I want to say maybe just 2 extra loops right here. It is a little high right now. And so that's because the watch strap is new and it will need to break in a bit to actually become a little bit more pliable and sit down a little bit further. But what my husband has mentioned is putting mink oil on it and kind of rubbing and getting it broken in. I could put it on my travel pouch and use that as an option. So because I have a small wrist, it does need to bend a lot in order to conform, and this part of the strap is the thickest part and it doesn't really have a lot of movement in it right now, but I don't want it to crack, and so I'm okay with the fact that it is a little bit tighter. I could wear it higher up on my wrist if I wanted to. I don't know. Now, if you've seen my other video, you know that I did get an Apple Watch for Christmas. We went to church this morning and I wore this watch rather than my Apple Watch just because I wanted to kind of class things up. But I think it's absolutely beautiful. They don't, they offer deployment straps where you can unbuckle it, but they try to match what comes with the watch originally. So I believe, I can't remember what our client advisor was wearing, but I think that she had the Santos and hers with the leather strap was a deployment. But this one is the pen, and I just look at that design. I think that's so cute. Great detail. I think the color is awesome, and I'm really excited. This was a great purchase, and I can't wait to continue to love this watch. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's classic. Maybe red next. Who knows? But I'm going to wear the green one for a while. So thanks for watching, y'all.